Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I am here again with some new organizational tips which I am sure you can try organizing any part of your kitchen in your own way. So let's start organizing our kitchen. My first tip for all my viewers is use some tray or basket on your countertop instead of just arranging things directly on the counter. It will not only ease your work while cleaning and keeping things organized, but also it will look beautiful. Try unique trays and baskets for your countertop. Various options are available online. I have shown all my tray and basket collection in one of my recent video. If you haven't seen, you can check out the link below. We can also use simple and sober looking wooden boxes. This particular box I got as a gift in one of the occasion with dry fruits, and I decided to use this cute wooden box to arrange my glass bottles. You may also have any fruit basket or gift trays. You can use them to arrange various kitchen items. We can use such no cost organizer from many old stuff we already have in our house. Do try them and you will get one organizer without spending any money. I am a huge fan of ceramic product. This is one of my ceramic collection which I recently bought from Miralink shopping website. This is very cute. Look at the color, it's yellow from inside and marble design from outside. These three cute jar comes with a ceramic tray. It's a set of 4 and it looks awesome. Link is given in the description box. You can check out Miralink website for various such amazing products. Miralink is a very user-friendly website and you will get cash on delivery, free delivery and very easy returns and replacement. If you also love ceramic just like me, this is the right product for you. You can free your dining table clutter and get organized with this multi-purpose set for the ultimate dining and serving experience. It will be a great addition to any household. You can also use this tray separately, and these jars also you can arrange in any other tray to change its look time to time. This is a plate organizer, again a Bulbul Shop product. Please check out the link and details in the description box. You can use this plate organizer for arranging 7 to 8 quarter plates, and it can be easily fit in any cabinet or drawer. I am arranging my steel quarter plates and I placed it in one of the drawer, and you can see it fitted very easily. If you like this plate organizer, you can use the link given below. Also, you can use WhatsApp link for easy shopping. Also, if not in use, you can just fold and keep it anywhere in your kitchen. It will not take much of your space. In my last video, I have shown you one of my cabinet organization. Today I am showing you my other cabinet. Let's see how I organize that. This cabinet is not having any shelf, and you can see all top space is just wasted and I can't use that space. So I am using few vertical organizers so that I can utilize the whole cabinet properly. This is a folding rack, and by using this rack I can create more space in this cabinet. And for other portion of cabinet, I am using this metal rack for arranging few jars and cutleries. Also, I am using undershelf rack for arranging more items. You can keep many small items on this rack, like I am keeping my atta box, and you can also put kitchen towel roll in one of the hanger, and in other hanger you may also hang few cups. Hope you found my organizing ideas helpful. See you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.